Hey there, fellow productivity enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down the latest tech tips to make your digital life easier. Today, we're tackling how to merge emails in Outlook 2025. If you're drowning in emails or need to send personalized bulk messages, this feature is a game changer. Let's dive right in. First things first, make sure you have Microsoft Outlook installed and updated to the 2025 version for the smoothest experience. Merging emails typically refers to using the Mail Merge tool, which lets you create customized emails from a list of contacts. It's perfect for newsletters, invitations, or follow-ups. Step 1. Open Outlook and go to the Home tab. Click on the Mail Merge button in the Actions group. If you don't see it, double-check your ribbon customization. Outlook 2025 has made this more intuitive. Next, select your recipient list. You can import contacts from an Excel spreadsheet or use an existing Outlook contact folder. Hit OK, and choose your document type, email in this case. Outlook will prompt you to select a Word template or create a new one. Design your email in Word, adding merge fields like names or addresses to personalize it. Once your template is ready, go back to Outlook and click Merge to Email. Preview your messages to ensure everything looks good, then hit Send. This process can handle hundreds of emails at once, saving you tons of time. A quick tip: if you're merging existing emails into a single thread, use the Conversation view in your inbox. Right-click on emails, select Move to Folder, and organize them manually for better management. Remember, with Outlook 2025's enhanced security, you might need to verify your account or enable certain permissions during the merge. If you run into issues, check the Help section or our links in the description. There you have it. Merging emails in Outlook is now a breeze. This skill will boost your efficiency and keep your communications professional. If you enjoyed this tutorial, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tech hacks, and drop a comment below. What's your biggest email challenge? Let's chat. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.